I'm up here on the roof of my RV. As you can see, it's pretty dirty right now. I'm using this product called Wash Wax All, and I've been using it on the side of the vehicle, or on the sides in front, for a while. I've been really impressed. It's very simple to use, and it works as advertised. It's one of these waterless wash wax compounds. I was wondering though if it could really cut through heavy stuff. So this crud on the roof here is really hard to get off. I mean, if you just use water and rub on it, it doesn't really budge because it's been baked on. But just a few squirts of this Wash Wax All and a bunch of microfiber towels here. Here's one that I've used. It's obviously quite dirty. And the stuff just lifts right off. And of course it leaves a nice shine, so hopefully that waxy film will keep it from getting as dirty as quickly. Really incredibly neat stuff, and it works even on the heaviest grime. Although you will go through quite a few towels in a situation like this.